in this release of the Figaf tool, we have added some improvements to make a better migration experience. One of the first things that you notice is the migration assessment report that you can click by setting up the migration system, connecting to PI and your CPI system. Then you can generate the report. Once you have done that, you will see a report that looks like the following, where we can see we got the name of the ICO, we have the sender communication channel and sender adapter type, and then we have new fields here. We have the message protocol, so here you got file and FTP, and this makes it a lot easier to see is it file or FTP, and obviously these behave differently, the same as SOAP and SOAP XI. These are all different, and it makes it really easy with XI SOAP to go through this and see are there any things we need to be curious about. And then the next one is we have added here a mapping challenges, which gives you information about if there's parameters used. And I think more importantly, one of the things we added here is that if you're using RFCs or lookup functions, they are presented here. If we have RFCs, they would be shown here, so it's really easy to see which functions are actually being used here. And then also on the sender communication channel, we also have these message protocol and transport protocol, making it a little easier for you to manage the migration. And here you can see the message count and number of test cases we have for these scenarios. So all in all, really useful tool when you're doing your migration. And as you get along, you can also see the progress of your migration, what you have migrated, what is in production, etc. The other thing we have improved is in the migration experience. So here we have an iFlow, and if we click check on this, one of the things that we'll notice is we get some new warnings here. One is that we get $ is escaped, and if we look at the real ICO we have here, then we can see we have a regex here where it's using a $ in, and $ is different in Groovy, and therefore we need to escape it, or $ in quotes is differently. We also get a problem here with some of the different things that is missing, like the mapping trace is missing. This gives us a lot of insight about what is going on. If we click migrate, we can easily see this function, and then it's up to us to go through and figure out how to resolve these issues that we have been noted out here. And if we look at the function here that has been converted, here we have it. We can then see we get this one as the outcommented function, the original one, and we can see that we added this $ here, and then we have this mapping trace, and we just need to uncomment this for now. Or you need to find out how you embed this. This is obviously more problem if you're using containers to get dynamic attributes, etc. So I hope this is something that would make your integration experience a little faster, saving you some time when you're going to migrate. Please check it out, and if you want to run it, you can always run the migration assessment to understand your landscape and then see how the tool works. I hope this is interesting. If you like it, please hit the like, please share this video. Thank you.